What is up, guys? It is What's Short, and today we're actually going to be unboxing two items. The Halo Infinite Elite Controller Series 2 and the 20th Anniversary Controller. This one will give you a dramatic ting the moment you hook it up to your Xbox, the moment you connect it. So let's open this one up. Look at that. I love see-through controllers. I wish they did more of these. Look at that. And I've noticed that all these new controllers actually have these like nice grips. Not the like grips from the Xbox Series controllers that come with the console. Like these are actually like plastic filling grips, which is really nice. So yeah, that's what this looks like. It's beautiful. I love see-through controllers so much. You see everything. And now let me get the other thing that everyone's been waiting for probably to unbox. At least I've been waiting for it. This is. I wish this one wasn't so delayed, but I got this 2 days after I was supposed to get it. Let me just take all the plastic off so I can unbox it. Let's unbox this and see. It comes in this like nice little UNSC case. That's awesome. Let's see, I think the paddles underneath. Wow, this thing is really nice. This thing is really nice. So we have our nice threaded cable, USB Type-C. What is this? So I think this is a code for in-game content. I'm gonna probably redeem this later. Didn't even know that came with anything. And this is like instruction manual. I think we know how to set up things. All right, let's get to like the real exciting part of this. Is this? First of all, I gotta say, I love how hard this case is, and I love you can plug in the USB-C right there, and you can like charge this. Like this whole case is a charger for it, which is awesome. All right, let's see. This is gonna be so nice. Oh, look at that. I love the textured grips all around. You can change the thumbsticks to whatever you want. This comes with paddles in the back. I kind of wish these paddles were not black though. Kind of wish they were like this color, this orange metallic color. This is so nice. And I like that you can just like pop these off and pop whatever you want in. Let's see which thumbstick feels best. I'm gonna go for the long one. So this is your key to tighten it. It's nice. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice the inside of this box. Look at this. This is so sick looking. Like this packaging on this was incredible. This looks awesome. Awesome, but yeah, so you have the 4 paddles in the back. I thought you got more paddles inside. I gotta double check that, but I really thought you got more paddles inside. But yeah, it will charge just like that over this, which I feel like is super cool. I guess we don't need this anymore. This is awesome. This feels awesome and amazing, and I do enjoy paddles. Even though I hold my controller like this, but probably will switch this paddle to whatchamacallit. I'll probably switch this paddle to mark things, and I'll figure out whatever I want to do with the other paddles. I like that there's a share button on this. It's really nice. The whole controller feels nice. Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize the 117 there. That's awesome. The 117 here, 117 there. This whole controller is awesome. I love that they have that little thing to where he puts his AI chips in for the back of his head. This is like the front. This is awesome. Like they've really hit it out of the park with this whole thing, and I absolutely love it. So that's it for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's nice to be able to have two Right, well, I have 3 controllers now. 3 brand new Xbox controllers, which is awesome. Awesome. I can't get over how well the controllers are for, like, this 20 years anniversary for Xbox. Yeah, I feel like I like this. I'm going to keep that. Anyways, guys, thank you for joining me. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I will catch you guys next time.